आता गोंय विमानतळाचो नवो संचालक धनंजय राव तांणी 9 जुनाच्यान आपल्या पदाचो ताबो घेतलो. आता प्रवाशांक विमानतळार काम करप्यांक मास्क सक्तीचे म्हण राव हांच्यांनी सांगलां. RDX गोवा खातीर दाबोळीच्यान प्रसाद नाईक.
My name is Dhananjaya Rao. I joined on 9th June here. Our plans are to facilitate the passengers in a better way, to improve the facilitation and taking all the COVID protocols recently which are in force.
So there was a recent notification by Civil Aviation that masks have become
Yes, as per the guidelines from the DGCA, mask is compulsory now for all the passengers and persons who are working in the terminal building.
So considering the rising cases of COVID, any steps here in the airports?
Yes, already measures are in place like automatic hand sanitizers, thermal screeners, and the announcements regarding the maintenance of protocols, COVID protocols, are being done regularly. And we are doing the display also on FIDA, our screens. All these guidelines are being displayed for the information of the passengers and others.
Okay.